Ano po tanong
Yan muna ko. Ikaw kasi magulo ka. Mag-sorry ka. Hindi, joke lang. Sige, game mo. I'm Dorothy Grace I. Reyes, Teacher 1 of Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. I am a passionate teacher. Bago ako kumuha ng course na yun, gusto ko talaga maging doktor. Kasi mahilig akong manood ng mga inoperahan, gano'n. But eventually, nung nag-third year high school ako, I became the Vice President of the Student Council. And then they sent me to Baguio for a youth convention. And then there I met my inspiration, Mr. Pagsy Onofre. Okay, si Sir Pagsy kasi, he's so passionate about teaching. And then from that then on, I decided that gusto ko talaga maging teacher. Although my mom is already a teacher, iba pa rin yung impact niya sa akin. So, nung tumungtong na ako ng college, PUP, yung pinaka-assessor doon, tinanong niya, kapag po ba kinuha ko ng course na to, magiging teacher ako na computer. Then she said yes, and then doon ako nag-apply. Medyo madrama kasi right after my graduation, my mom got confined in the hospital and we stayed there for 2 months. So, hindi ako nakapag-let review like the other students who underwent that one. Ako, kung ano yung napag-reviewhan ng mga kabatchmate, dinadala nila sa hospital and then doon ako nag-review. And then right before the board exam, my mom passed away. So, yun yung one of the greatest challenges in my life, losing a mother, and then right at the same time, mag-board exam. And thankfully enough, I passed the board exam with 81.13. Students per se, hindi dahil mahirap sila turuan. I love teaching. Actually, I left teaching before. Kasi alam naman natin lahat, walang pera sa tuturo. Maraming nagsasabi, walang yumayaman na teacher. Hindi dahil sa maraming loan or whatever. Kasi kapag teacher ka, hindi ka lang professor, hindi mo lang profession. It becomes your passion. And then when I say it becomes your passion, you get to know your students and then they develop into your children. So, mas marami kang nagiging anak, mas marami kang nagiging concern. So, even their problems becomes your problems. And the greatest challenges for me is hearing students na they are undergoing breakup of their family, walang pera, walang makain, and that really breaks my heart. And being a teacher, hanggang ngayon challenge na, kung mayaman lang sana ako, marami na ako ng goal. Gusto ko makapagtayo ng foundation, but how? Diba? Siguro yun yung one of the challenges. And one more, meron naman yung mga batang, they lost their passion in studying, na sana, gustuhin nila. Hindi, not just because of the exchange of the grades. Mas masarap kasi mag-aral kapag alam mo gusto mo talaga. Alam mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve. So, yun sana yung dream ko na lahat ng bata ma-realize the importance of education for their future. Yes, certainly. Because, like I said, I left teaching before. I got a good job. I went to travel around Southeast Asia. But at the end of the day, I can't find the satisfaction I got from the students. Satisfaction in a way na kahit nasa stress, di ba nakikita yung mga teacher, naiinit ang ulo, and then right up the next class, tawa na ng tawa. Because there's this thing about students na that they could make you smile, and then you could feel the completeness and accomplishment, lalo kapag tumatanggap na sila ng diploma. For the future teachers, strive hard. Be the 21st century that DepEd dreams to be having. Kasi alam natin ang libro ngayon, shortcut na, e-books na tayo. I love reading old books because old books means completeness, diba? Ngayon kasi medyo shortcut na, lahat summarized na. Be passionate enough. Don't stop from Google. You research everything. You develop into a teacher na student-centered. Yun kasi gusto na rin. passionately love teaching, who passionately love students. Diba? Kapag tinanong ka, anong tinuturuan mo? Sagutin mo, bata, hindi subject. Kasi ang bata ang natutunan. Once these children learned a lot from you, yung mga bagay na gusto mo, kagaya ko, gusto kong maging doktor dati, they could reach it eh. Kung hindi ako pwede maging doktor, sila pwede maging doktor para sa akin. Kapag naging doktor sila, parang ako rin naging ganun. So meron na ako mga estudyante ngayon na nursing graduate, mga nasa abroad na, may mga engineers na, and I'm very much proud of them. Yung iba, they may not be the proud person or yung pinaka-dream nila to be. But when I ask them, Ma'am, I will strive hard. Hintayin nyo, makikita nyo, maabot ko rin ba. So, I still hold on to that. Yun. For the students naman, work as if there is no tomorrow. Or work as if every day is your deadline. Diba? Do not study because of a dream. Study because you believe you need that one. Para kang nagsha-shopping na kailangan ko to, kasi kailangan, dala ko itong lahat ng ito. Eventually, magagamit ko. So, I want students to realize the importance of education as much as possible because it is their future talaga. Hindi siya cliche na sinasabi na, kami yung pag-asa kasi kami kabataan. Be that kabataan na everybody will be proud of. Diba? Sabi nga yung sa kantang, I can go the distance. You have to go back to your place as if you are being a hero, being welcomed by everybody. So be the hero you wanted to be. And wait for that moment that everybody will welcome you back to your alma mater. Akala ko ito number ko. Hindi, sandali lang, aklaruhin ko Kasi yung question sa number 2, bago nyo kinuha yung course. Dapat kung yung bago yung course, bago mag-isang kasi hindi magkakalay din. Sorry hindi ako nangungulit, pero